Hey guys, welcome back to Neurotic Wellness. My name is Anthony and today we have a special video. So today I'm going to show you how simple it is to mix up your DoNotAge longevity beverage. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first you're going to take your DoNotAge sachet and you are going to pour it directly into your stainless steel shaker bottle, which is provided when you first sign up for this product. Then you're gonna toss in some filtered water. You're gonna shake it up. Pour it back into your cup, or I guess you can drink it directly out of the shaker bottle. And enjoy. So good. All right, so just a quick little recap. This is DoNotAge from DoNotAge.org, their first ever 15-in-1 longevity beverage, which covers all 12 of our biological processes of aging. So the price of this is $203, billed every 4 weeks. And if you were to source all 15 of these ingredients from DoNotAge.org, you would be paying well over $600. So you're saving about 70% by purchasing this product, which is absolutely amazing. It is billed in a subscription model, so you will get billed every 4 weeks and you'll get a new shipment once a month. And obviously, if you're not happy with the product, you can cancel anytime. And it is free worldwide shipping always, which is always super helpful. So yeah, if you're interested in trying the product or learning more about it, you can head on over to the link in the description notes of this video, or head over to my DoNotAge link in my link tree, and that'll take you directly to the product. And I do ask, if you are interested in purchasing the product, to use that link, because that's how I get credit. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I can't wait to show you more about this product. I'm so excited about it. So hurry on back, and remember, stay well. Take care. Bye.